So last week we took your calf off to auction, right? And they sold it with the little calves. And do you remember how they sold the little calves? Was it by the pound or by the head?
By the head.
By the head. So we thought you got $62.50 for that calf. I actually got $112.50.
Yay! Then why did we just get $62?
Because that's what I gave you when we got home from the sale. So I've got to give you the extra. You're going to have $112.50. That's a lot better than $62, isn't it? $62.50? Sometimes it can be confusing at sales, especially livestock auctions where they sell the cows. Usually they sell them by the pound, but when it comes to calves, they do it by the head. And we thought for sure they were doing it by the head because that's how they had done all the other calves.
And they put it in with the little calf.
Yeah, but they actually did it by the pound, which works out a lot better for you, doesn't it? When they sell it by the pound?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. So we'll have to go cash this check and give you the extra so you can get your $112.50, huh?
There's a lot of flies over here.
Well, we can go to the bank today. They're open today.
There's a lot of fruit flies or whatever these are.
It is. They're little gnats.
How do you catch
So you've got a lot more money to decide what you're going to do with, huh? Isn't that kind of exciting? I thought y'all would be excited about it. I was happy to see that because I know y'all worked really, really hard feeding and watering the calves.
A long snake I had her hand.
He's probably close to 4 foot. At least 3.5.
Did you see a tongue come out?
I didn't. Did you see his tongue come out?
Yeah. Made it hot?
No, all that rain helps it decompose, which is good.
Making it gray and yuck?
Yeah, it'll turn to wood or to dirt quicker this way. It'll turn back to soil. Good job, Lance. Yeah, is it warm in there?
Yeah. You want to go? I think so. Is that a snake like it?
Yeah, it might have. It might have.
Yeah, it probably did like it because it was nice and hot.
Was it on the mulch pile when y'all came out?
Pretty much. I don't want a mulch pile. I don't want a whoa.